Hey guys, this is Cole Taken, and today my presentation is going to be over cisplatin. So mechanisms of cisplatin. The mechanism of cisplatin actually creates DNA damage to induce apoptosis of cancer cells. And there are two methods of apoptosis, as we know, and cisplatin induces the intrinsic pathway, which is the one where mitochondrial will release cytochrome C to induce apoptosis and activate those caspases. Cisplatin does this by attaching itself onto DNA in the cell. So in order for DNA to get damaged, or in order for apoptosis to occur, DNA has to be damaged. And this is what it's doing. It is damaging DNA to induce apoptosis. And it does it by attaching itself onto the actual DNA, the chemical does. The pathway of cisplatin doesn't interfere with the cell division process that will damage DNA. So non-specific to cell cycle, but success is highest in resting phase of cancer cells. The cisplatin is an alkylating agent, which chemically cross-links the DNA double helix. So when DNA is damaged, processes kick in to either halt the cell cycle or induce programmed cell death. Normal cells, not all cells, but can repair the damage. But cancer cells divide so quickly when they see the DNA damage, they resort straight to apoptosis because they're dividing so quick. And as we see on this little, I got the mechanism breakdown right here on the right. Cisplatin creates oxidative stress, which DNA damage will happen. And then when DNA is damaged, P53 protein is activated, and that would lead to BAX increase. If BAX is increased, that means BCL will be decreased in order to release cytochrome C from the mitochondrial, and that will induce apoptosis. So some side effects is, well, since cisplatin is inserted intravenously, there will be some bad side effects, and mostly with dehydration and stuff like that, because red blood cells tend to be the most affected. And the actual side effects are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, temporary hair loss, loss in ability to taste food, hiccups, dry mouth, dark urine, and decreased sweating and dry skin. And most of these happen just due to dehydration. Platinum is also, a bad toxin to our body, so that doesn't work well with the cells. And most chemotherapy drugs like this do have the same side effects. And my question is, are there any chemotherapy drugs used for anti-cancer treatments cell specific yet, or are they all inserted intravenously? Just let me know, and thanks for listening in and watching my presentation. Thank you.